friends! Today we are going to learn how to cook instant fried noodles. It is very easy and fun to make. You can cook it at home with simple steps. Let's get started. First, turn on the electric stove by connecting the gas first. Next, boil water in a pan. Then, put the noodles into the hot water. After that, cook for about 3 minutes. Next, put the seasoning in the bowl. Then, take the noodles out and put them in the bowl. After that, mix the noodles with the seasoning. Finally, your fried instant noodles are ready.